Hi, this is Jo for Lottie Loves Paper. I'm going to give you a little look through the new collection by 49&Market called Viken, or Viken, actually I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I've got the 12 by 12 collection pack, which is this one here. I've also got the rub-on transfer set, the chipboard set and the ephemera bits. So let's have a look at the papers first. So on the website, you can also get a smaller size pad as well. I think it's 6 by 8, but I just went for the big ones. So they're double-sided, and you've got a nice sort of plainer side that's still got some detailing in on the back. So this one, it's all in these lovely colour tones with, you know, the script, which is their kind of thing for these art option collections. It's very layered. This one's got a nice wreath design on the front, and then on the back it's a nice sort of watercoloured sort of greens, and actually the branding strip along the bottom, that's pretty cool. That can be used as well for a border. This one, and they do have names, but as I say, on the Lottie website, they are just as the pack, but this one is called Enchanted Fields. So lots of florals on that side, and then a nice sort of grass green on that side. This one's got lovely big prints of the flowers and then a purple background. More florals on this one. This one's called Floral Notes. It's not all that dissimilar to that one, just a larger print of the flowers. You could fussy cut some of these actually. And then sort of it's a sort of a lighter green than the other one that we've got, and a nice cool branding strip as well on there. This one's a purple background with florals off to either side, and then a sort of a lilac colour background on that with, oh, that's cool, lots of little stamp features, so that would be nice going down the page that way. This one's called Splendid. Again, it's got the opposing floral elements and sort of a just slightly deeper lilac colour on that side. Oh, and the bottom there, you've got some lace. You could fussy cut around that. This one's called Temptation. More sort of a blue tone to it, and a lovely sea green, deep sea green on the back. So those are the papers, and on the back of this cover sheet, don't throw it away, because you turn it over, you've got fussy cut elements. So you've got sort of newsprint, you've got some journaling, you could use a white pen on that, tickets, and then other things that you can fussy cut. There's butterflies and florals and leaves, so that's really cool. Good use of packaging, getting a bit more in there. Let's have a look at the ephemera bits. There's a big pack of bits here, and you can use that back piece as well. Look, don't let anything go to waste, that's nice. So we've got frames, we've got tickets, lots of tickets. I do love tickets. I'm going to bring in a bit closer for these. So lots of layering can be done. It's sort of a postcard, we've got words. I like popping these up on foam pads, they look good. Lots of tickets. That was definitely a draw for me, seeing all this ephemera kit. Really good pieces. We've got tags, we've got tabs, more tickets. Got arrows, that's pretty cool. Labels, what's that? More words. And we've got round tags as well. Well, these are nice. So more words, but on a coloured background. More sort of journaling spots, another frame. Big frame there. And we've got smaller frames here. God, you got lots and lots in this. And then some more background pieces that you could use as photo mounts, or you could make a mini book actually with those. Plain on the other side, but nice and thick. Liking that a lot. So let's try and move that out to one side. Right, chipboard pieces. So you've got lots of words in here. You've got banners and circles, tags and other little frames. Again, you can use the other side of that. So we've got sort of watercolour tags, little frames, lots and lots of words. Very cool. And tabs and other bits. These come apart, so you can put your own words in behind that and use that on something else. Got a few hearts as well, and circles. We've got plain circles and we've got circles with words as well. All in the colours from that collection. And then something a bit different. Not really different for 49&Market, but different compared to what we see in other collections. These are rub-on transfer sets. And these are rub-ons. You get quite a few sheets. So you get 6 sheets, you get some words, and let's have a look at this one here. So this has got sort of print on it, newsprint with sort of watercolour splotches. So that is lovely. That's really pretty. Got floral clusters on this one, and you've got floral individual flowers and leaves and little bits of watercolour splashes. This one you've got dragonflies and butterflies. This one you've got leaves, and this one you've got the words. So you've got phrases and words as well in different type fonts. So that's nice. And that is the collection, apart from there is, say, I think it's a 6x8 paper pad as well that you can get in the shop. Thanks for watching. Bye.